everyone, it's Mandy McGuire of the Mandy McGuire Group, Keller Williams Pinnacle here in Columbia. Today we are bringing to you the second edition of our home maintenance tips. And I know it's summertime and we're all busy, but we need to make sure we protect this investment that we have. So let us take you through and show you a few things that will help you this summer. So I know one of the things none of us really want to do, but is also kind of important to stay on top of, is cleaning out your trash cans. Some of them kind of get really disgusting after the trash that goes in them all year long. We also have our gutters, as you can see, definitely need some maintenance, or at least need to be cleaned out. We have people that could help you with that on our website. And then also outside power washing, cleaning is always good to do this time of year. It's nice out, it's not gonna freeze, and we have people that can help you with that too. Another good idea this time of the year is to check your windows, maybe have them cleaned. Check the screens if we're going to be open our windows so that we make sure there's no holes so something can come through them. Don't forget to sweep out the inside of the garage, or maybe get in there and organize a little bit. As you can see, we definitely need to call our power washer and have the outside of here power washed as well. And maybe just take a walk around the outside of your home, your garage, checking the foundation to make sure there's nothing out of the ordinary, any cracks you see, or maybe anything that's changed since last year. Check out the full list of all the summer maintenance items that you can do. And if you need help, there is also a link on our website for some professionals that you can give a call.